Now here guys, I cut these wires because I told you these wires are coming from the radio which we installed. So in these wires I already show you how we can see which wire is left, which wire is right, because and then with that way we can see uh, which wire is for left speakers and which wire is for right speakers. And here this one is input for this factory installed amplifier, and this one is, this plug is for output. So I cut these wires and I join in these plugs. Same wires were there, I joined this one as per colors: white with white, black with black, green with green, orange with orange. It's depend upon which car you have, but my car has these wires. So now I checked and everything is working very good and very fine, no buzzing noise. And here I want to tell you one thing: if your car has a factory installed woofer and these wires are belongs to left and right speakers, so we have a tweeter here. This one is a speaker and this one is a tweeter. So what to do? Find the tweeter wires. Tweeter wires will be the same. If your speaker has red and black wire, your tweeter wire will be black, red with black line, and black with red line. So you can figure out very easily which one is, or you can open this tweeter box and you can find wires connected to this tweeters. Then you can this way I found. I opened this one and open this one, and there is and I checked which wires are connected with this tweeter. So this way I was able to find which wire was which wires goes to tweeter. So my tweeter had this this red with black line, one this wire, and the other one was blue with black line. So this way I found the tweeter's wire, and I connected this tweeter's wires with this right side speaker. This speaker, this tweeter, both are one connection. So now my tweeters are working and my speakers are working. One other way you can check the tweeter wire, if you don't want to open this and you are not able to open this, or you are not able to open the speaker, you can check like that. Here I am checking my rear. Here I am checking my rear trunk, my trunk door tweeters, because I have two tweeters in my trunk. So I'm not able, because here there are two types of wires, same wires in this plug, white and black, and this one. So what I did, I want to show you. So this is the one speaker, one tweeter, and this is the second tweeter. What I did, I opened this cover. If you can see, I opened this cover, and here I was able to see the wires connected with my tweeter, and that was showing white and black. So then here, when I came here in this we have white and black, in this we have white and black, but we knew that this one came from the speakers, so I wanted to check. So what I did, I insert two pins with positive and negative, white and black, and I connected these cables. And now I want how we can check this. So this is very simple. You can check with multimeter, or you can check with this one battery. Make sure the battery is fully charged. So if you will connect this one here, it will create a sound in your tweeter. Okay. Give me a minute. So these are connected. Good. And I want to stand my, see, if you will do like that, the speaker will do pop up sound. So this way you can see, okay, this one is the right wires. Now I will cut these wires, and then I will connect with my rear left speakers. Then these will be work.